Hey there, smart buyers! Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel that helps you make the right purchasing decisions without losing your sanity. Today, we've got a 3D printer showdown that's hotter than a filament extruder. It's the Creality Ender 3v3 SE versus the ELEGOO Neptune 4 Plus. Let's dive right in and see which one deserves a spot on your workbench. First up, let's talk speed. The Ender 3v3 SE boasts a zippy 250 mm per second printing speed with 2,500 mm per square second acceleration. That's like the Ferrari of 3D printers, folks. But wait, Neptune 4 Plus is here to steal the show, revving up to an insane 500 mm per second with 12,000 mm per square second acceleration. It's like the Bugatti of 3D printers. So if you're in a hurry to print out that life-sized Yoda, Neptune 4 Plus might just be your Jedi Master. Next, we have build volume. The Ender 3v3 SE is like your cozy studio apartment with a build volume that's decent but snug. Meanwhile, the Neptune 4 Plus is the mansion on the hill with a whopping 12.59 inches x 12.59 inches x 15.15 build space. You could practically print a baby grand piano on that thing, if you had enough filament, of course. Now let's talk ease of use. The Ender 3v3 SE is super user-friendly, like that one friend who always knows how to fix your computer. It gets you started in just 3 steps: auto leveling, auto Z offset, auto filament loading. It's like having a 3D printing butler. But Neptune 4 Plus isn't far behind with automatic calibration and a bunch of connectivity options, including Wi-Fi, USB, and LAN. It's like the Swiss Army knife of 3D printers. Versatile and always ready for action. Extruder and nozzle. The heart and soul of any 3D printer. The Ender 3v3 SE sports the Sprite direct drive extruder, which sounds like a refreshing soda, but actually ensures smooth feeding of various filaments like PLA, PETG, and TPU. Meanwhile, Neptune 4 Plus is flexing its muscles with a dual-gear direct drive extruder and a high-temp nozzle that can handle up to 300 degrees Celsius. It's like the Hulk of extruders. Powerful and ready to smash through any filament you throw at it. And finally, let's talk about the wallet, the most important category for many of us. The Ender 3v3 SE comes in at a cool $219. It's like finding a diamond in the rough. On the other hand, the Neptune 4 Plus, with all its bells and whistles, is priced at $599. It's like buying a first-class ticket to the 3D printing world. So it really depends on how much you're willing to splurge for those extra features. When it comes to user reviews, the Creality Ender 3v3 SE is praised for being beginner-friendly, offering great print quality, and having an easy setup process. However, some users faced issues with touchscreen features and initial setup frustrations. On the other hand, the ELEGOO Neptune 4 Plus is celebrated for its speed, large build volume, and detailed prints, though it does require more hands-on maintenance and has a noisier fan. Both printers have their strengths, catering to different user needs and preferences. So there you have it, folks. The Creality Ender 3v3 SE and the ELEGOO Neptune 4 Plus. 2 fantastic 3D printers, each with their own strengths. If you're on a budget and want something reliable, go for the Ender 3v3 SE. But if you're ready to invest in speed, precision, and a larger build volume, the Neptune 4 Plus is your go-to. Which one will you choose? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more smart buying tips. Until next time, keep printing and stay smart. Product links are in the description.